Fine people, anywhere you see the program will be say they listen to Namana Rantan for Independent Radio 92.3 for Benin City, Edo State. Brighton, good morning.
My country people, I greet everybody. This one are the voice of your homeboy, Prince Dr. Ogewonyi Brightens. Now maybe the MD CEO and the chief inventor of all Brightens Electronics Company products. Okay, for Brightens Electronics Company, we dey make wetin we dey call the Brightens inverter, Brightens alternator booster, Brightens phase selectors, Brightens automatic changeover. So many products of Brightens Electronics, and all the products as we dey talk now, all of them dey come with promo discounted prices. So you wey be say maybe you wan buy the Brightens inverter, battery, solar panel, all those ones if you join am together na dey pass. Though if you wan buy that one, you go deposit a minimum of 50,000 naira. Then during this promo season, then you will go dey pay the remaining one as your power reach and as you like am small, but we go give you 4 months. If within the 4 months you no come fit pay finish small, by the 5th month you go buy the product at the normal price. But if you dey pay small within that 4 months, na the promo discounted price you go take buy even when the promo don end. So again, you will say you wan dey use am make you dey pay small at the same time. That one na be higher purchase. You go pay 60% of normal price, not promo price. Come pay the remaining 40% within 3 months. That one get your own terms and condition. Then you wey dey use our product before, like yesterday, one man bring inverter when I do for am for 2010. So as he bring am come, he give us, he say wan upgrade am to the advanced digital. We dey tell us say 2010 we need to take picture with am. So you can return the product no matter the number of years. If wetin we dey sell for you now, if e no go last or e no go dey durable, e no get how you wan take return am now after 5 years or 10 years. Come say you wan minus am with the money wey you take buy am that time at the same value. Na because we know say e dey durable, that's why we dey allow all those upgrading. So for the Brightens automatic changeover, I wan let Nigerians know say na two different things. The Brightens automatic changeover na something wey be say if dem bring NEPA light, e go help you off your generator, carry you go public power effortlessly. So then if you wan on the generator for inside house and off am from inside house, that one be the Brightens power switch for generator. So na so e be.
So when we look your inverter and your battery and the one with the market, what will make the difference?
And the Brightens inverter, battery, the solar panel, the solar charge controller, the whole component unit, they go feed power your fan, TV, AC, borehole, deep freezer, depending on the kVA wey you dey buy. And the most important advantage of our product be say nothing go last forever. If e spoil tomorrow, where you buy am na the company wey dey make am for Nigeria, so your after sales service is guaranteed. As for the solar panel, na shelf life of 20 years, we dey give warranty of 2 years. As for the Brightens inverter battery, the inverter machine, solar charge controller, we dey give warranty, manufacturer's warranty of 1 year. Na manufacturer warranty no be consumer error. Consumer error na when, for example, you buy 1 kVA inverter, you go unload of about 5 kVA put, you wan see wetin go happen. When you see wetin go happen, then you go pay for the repair. That one no be manufacturer error. So I wan let Nigerians know say if you dey look for 24 hours constant light, e dey possible. But that 24 hours light, it depends on the number of battery wey you wan put and the number of solar panel wey you wan install join am. No come go buy 1 battery, come buy 1 solar panel for Brightens Electronics, come begin dey give me distress call say na so you suppose get 24 hours light. E not possible because person wey get 1 battery and person wey get 4 battery or 8 battery with plenty solar panel, they no fit get the same hours of light. So that means you go only dey charge am with NEPA generator and sun. Anytime when sun come, go charge. Anytime when gen dey, go charge. Anytime when NEPA light come, go charge. So na so it be.
So when we leave there, if we say more look your alternator booster for pressing iron and your energy bulb saver, high B.
And you see the thing wey we do be say Nigerians, they quit the shout or say no, they prepare meter card and so e don finish. Oh, hey, the analog wey they get, they don't bring NEPA bill, don't bring big combo, they go begin scream. They go forget say sometimes when they go work, they go on fridge, on freezer down. They go on surrounding light say for outside, and surrounding light when you go see say on for 1 o'clock for afternoon, you know say light NEPA light don't come. to know when they go dey shout say the bill don so the card finish. I wan let Nigerians know so that your power consumption rate that dey cause all those things, your prepaid meter card dey quick free, no be BEDC fault. So I wan let people know say if you wan make your card dey last long, buy brightest super saving LED energy saving bulb. We do am as 5 watt and as 12 watt. The 5 watt brightest LED energy saving bulb e shine light pass the normal 18 watt energy saving bulb wey dey market, while the 12 watt brightest LED energy saving bulb e shine light pass the normal 40 watt bulb wey dey market or 100 watt incandescent bulb. So if you get that bulb, imagine say you buy like 10 of the 5 watt, that's just 50 watt. E go help you reduce the rate wey that your NEPA big car take dey run, or wey that your generator or that your diesel generator, especially for those wey get surrounding light for their fence. E go reduce the rate wey the fuel consumption wey the fuel go take dey consume. Then you wey get inverter battery solar panel go still reduce the rate wey your inverter battery go take dey drain down. So that means that brightest super saving LED energy saving bulb will increase the brightness, reduce the watt. Then you wey dey do pressing, wey be tailor, fashion designer, dry cleaner, hairdresser, you need the brightest alternator booster for your pressing iron. That no mean say your gen go turn noiseless or soundproof, no be so take dey work. If you wan know whether e dey work, plug the iron for the gen, listen to the sound, plug the iron on the booster, listen to the sound, you go see the difference, thereby removing the surge wey dey go the gen fully and prolonging the life of your generators, make you no dey go dey buy half engine every time.
So before you tell us your phone number and address, what about those who dey train? Get any training for this season?
You see, Oga FA, we dey train people over the years as part of our company corporate social responsibility, vocational study and technical skill acquisition programs. Several secondary schools, people wey dey university wey wan do their IT or industrial attachment, people wey dey come on their own from house. But the truth be say, if you no sabi read and write, make you no come, because we no go fit train who no sabi read and write. Exams dey wey you go write, lecture dey wey you go receive. And that I wan let you know today say we no just dey train people, we don still apply for some of the people wey we train. If you doubt me now, I go tell you say na social media era we dey. You fit go Facebook, go internet, search for the students wey we employ for so many years that they dey make money. For example, we employ one student for University of Benin electrical electronics department. Since when that boy dey 300 level, now the boy dey final year. Him name na Adewale Ibiasufa. We employ am 300 level when he dey. Even girl dey wey we just employ na small girl wey just write WAEC. Her name na Osayomore Glory Elogosa. You can search for the person. Another one dey Godfrey Ikpome. Another one dey Sopuruchi Camillus Ikechukwu. We employ these people. These are people wey come learn wey we employ. So my country people, if una wan reach us for Brothers Electronics Company, our address dey number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road. Number 30 Federal Government Girls College Road near UBTH for Ugbowo, Benin City. We dey open our office only on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, Friday only from 10 o'clock in the morning to 5 o'clock in the evening, because we dey use Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday take dey manufacture wetin we dey sell and take dey install the product based on our staff strength. If you wan call us for phone, our phone number na 080 894 62794. Make I repeat am, 080 894 62794. Our MTN number na 080 35 81 5348. Make I repeat am, 080 35 81 5348. You fit still search us on Facebook like Brothers Electronics Company page, or type the word videos of brightness on YouTube. You go see everything wey we dey do over the years. Oga FA, I greet you. My country people, una dey.